Jersey Reconstituted fresh milk versus Magnolia fresh milk. What are the differences between these two? And which one is better if we are making hot French vanilla latte? Stick around and find out. There are many brands available in the market. How do you know which one works best with your coffee and tea drinks? If you're planning to offer premium coffee drinks in your shop, then you have to make the right choice, because good coffee can be ruined by bad milk. Good milk can improve the taste of an inferior coffee. The real fresh milk would be not in cartons, but more like bottles like this. These are pasteurized and they do not last longer than 2 to 3 weeks refrigerated. Now, these milk that are in carton are UHT processed to prolong the shelf life. One of these brands is actually not made of pure cow's milk. I wonder if you know. Well, let's find out. Magnolia is made from fresh milk. Jolly Cow, Alaska, Cowhead, and Anchor are all made from fresh cow's milk. Jersey, on the other hand, is the only brand amongst these brands that is actually not made from fresh cow's milk, but it is UHT processed and it is reconstituted full cream milk. It is made from water mixed with skimmed milk powder. So it is like a liquid creamer. Jersey is 30% cheaper than all of these brands. For the experiment today, I'm going to use Jersey and compare it with any one of these 5 brands. I'm going to pick Magnolia to compare with Jersey here, assuming that Magnolia is as good as all these other 4 brands. We are going to compare these two and decide whether you can cut costs by using Jersey instead of Magnolia if we are going to make flavored latte. If you're going to make plain latte, there will be a very, very big difference between using a reconstituted milk and fresh milk. But can a flavor cover up that flaw in the reconstituted milk and you can cut your costs? That's what we are going to find out today. I'm going to start by pulling my espresso shots. I'm going to use 18 grams of coffee beans in, and I'm going to pull 2 single shots of espresso here. And whilst we're waiting for our espresso shot, I'm going to start steaming my milk. And for this, I'm just going to put my flavor into my milk. Normally you put the flavor in your coffee, but this time I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to use 2 pumps or about 2 teaspoons of my French vanilla syrup from Monin, and then I'm going to steam the milk. This is Magnolia. It is smelling rather good because of the French vanilla, and it is very smooth. Okay, let me just pour some out. And this is my French vanilla latte using Magnolia fresh milk. Now let's proceed with the next one, which is using Jersey reconstituted full cream milk. French vanilla in here, put it belatedly, okay, and then just give it a swirl. And now I'm going to pour it into my espresso. That's a lot of cream there. Very, very thick. Not a perfect heart, but it's not too bad. I would say it pours quite well. So this is my latte, my French vanilla latte using Jersey, and this is my French vanilla latte using Magnolia. Now let's find out how they taste like. The Magnolia fresh milk latte is very smooth. I like the texture of the milk here. Let's find out how it tastes like. Wow, that tastes really, really good. Very smooth and very light. Exactly how I'd like my hot latte to be. Now, Jersey, I must say the taste is not so bad because the French vanilla syrup is kind of covering up the taste of the milk. It gives a balance, although the texture is a little bit too thick. Latte, especially for those that do not like foamy drinks, should be light and not as airy as the resulting latte using Jersey full cream milk. To conclude this video clip, I would like to say that if you are selecting the milk for your coffee and tea drinks, make sure you do not only look at the price. Look at the ingredients, look at the nutritional information, look at how they steam using the espresso machine if you're making hot drinks, and also look at how they taste like when mixed with your ingredients. In this case, the taste is not so bad for either one of them because the syrup somehow overpowers the taste of whatever is lacking in the milk. The texture of this one is very thick. It's more like cappuccino style, but for people like me, I prefer my milky drink light and also not too foamy. If you have any questions and if you've made this test before and you have a different conclusion, to let us know. We would like to hear from you. In the meantime, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Also check out my books, All Things Milk Tea and The Basic Barista, and click that subscribe button for more of these milk reviews and video tutorials. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.